Alright, so let's look at our first example here, right? So it says, how do we simplify both sides of the equation? Well, we're going to clear parentheses, combine like terms, and clear fractions. So for this example here, right, we have 8 over 15y plus 3 over 5 equals 22 over 30. We're going to clear fractions. And this one example here is a perfect example where we clear parentheses, combine like terms, and clear fractions. So find the LCD, which is 30, and we're going to multiply all the fractions by 30. Let's distribute this 30. 30. Okay, we're going to distribute the 30. For our first distribution, we have 30 over 1 times 8 over 15y. Next, we have 3 over 5 times 30 over 1. Drop down the plus sign, drop down the equal sign, and for our last distribution, we have 22 over 30 times 30 over 1. Now let's go ahead here and start simplifying, right? 15 goes into 30 twice, so scratch off the 15, replace it with a 1, and scratch off the 30, and replace it with a 2. Now how many times does 5 go into 30? Well, 6 times. So scratch off the 30, replace it with a 6, and the 5 gets scratched off and replaced with a 1, and 30 goes into 30 once, so we just scratch off the 30 in the numerator and the denominator on the right side of the equal sign and replace it with a 1. So now when we rewrite the statement, we have 2 times 8 over 1 times y plus 3 times 6 over 1 equals 22 times 1 over 1. Let's begin multiplying here. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 over 1. Y plus 3 times 6 is 18. 18 over 1 equals, and then we have 22 times 1, giving us 22 over 1. Now anything over 1 is the value itself. So when we simplify further, we're simply left with 16 divided by 1. Well, that's 16. 16y. 18 divided by 1. Well, that's 18. And 22 divided by 1 is 22. So after step 1 and clearing fractions, we're left with 16y plus 18 equals 22.